what India was always known for education. Yes, AI should be our aid. New generation is full of innovation and thought process. They are born with the technology. Like no poverty, goal number one. So we are every Saturday we have a campaign, Sacred Heart Bread campaign, where we are donating to 50 families. The bread and the dal goes. Our last year primary from 2 to 5, 100% participation. Our theme was sustainability. Melodies of sustainability. I had written the script and we had covered so many these goals. And we have rallies. No, say no to plastic and this, what is that? Many rally Diwali's round the corner, like another next month. November is Diwali. So what we're going to have those green Diwali. We're going to spread that message of green Diwali. We have competitions like, and it's not only competition, class wise, class activity, where they become the components of nature. What India was always known for education. Yes, AI should be our aid. Like I was quite impressed with your sir, the one sir who's just spoke before me. So it was very impressive. And we also try to do things. But ultimately, what I feel, and we are instilling those innovation and everything. We do blended learning also. We give the chance to children to prepare. I am in primary. I take 4 and 5. I am basically a science teacher, but I take English and science. So we tell them, okay, you this part, this chapter, you prepare. This time you become the teachers, we become the students. And we give row wise, we give a topic, and they prepare in their own innovative way. Some of them will make a PPT, some of them will make a role play in their own innovative way, experiment based. Like they use their all innovation. They are new generation, as I said. New generation is full of innovation and thought process. They are born with the technology. Our time technology was even phone, this, what do you call, mobiles were not there, computer wasn't there. Okay. What I have studied is Lotus, which is obsolete. Okay. So what we are trying to instill is, you can't transform the whole thing. And sorry for it, but I would say it's not garbage what was the previous generation. That is treasure. Use that with AI and make it precious, isn't it? So old way of teaching is not, yes, AI is there. Let us use it in a positive way. Otherwise, AI will take over all of us. AI can be disastrous also. So my topic is not AI. My topic is innovation. So how we do it, like suppose there are all sustainable goals. So we try to tap all the goals. Like no poverty, goal number one. So we are every Saturday we have a campaign, Sacred Heart Bread campaign, where we are donating to 50 families. The bread and the dal goes, and the teachers and sometimes children are also taken. So what is happening in, like, we don't have to teach them. It's like they are seeing and they're learning. Yes, at a very tender age they know how important it is to take care of this. Zero hunger, no poverty, then good health and well-being. We have those balanced diet, we have those special tiffins. They bring balanced diet, like nutritious tiffins every day, but then we divide. Sometimes one row bring carbs this way or bring balanced diet. It's every teacher has her own way. Okay. And then they not only nutritious diet, along with that, integrate Ek Bharat, Shresh Bharat, integrate with the culture also, like whichever state is attached with the UT and all. So they are learning the cultural richness of it. Okay. And then, our last year primary from 2 to 5, 100% participation, our theme was sustainability, melodies of sustainability. I had written the script, and we had covered so many these goals, in which like they children were divided into different, and it was a beautiful musical drama. And when children see, we don't have to tell them, this is it, this is this, it is how well they understand themselves. Okay. And how well, when they are seeing it, when they are practicing it, they come to know, okay, this class is doing this. And when we practice, then we used to practice, like others used to watch. So it was such a we had a 1.5 hour, and it wasn't boring at all. For parents, for a layman, sometimes topics are like quite boring, but it was so interesting. We covered everything in the form of a dance, in the form of a play. And then we have those project based that everybody follows, flip learning, in which children are given the chance. And then we have rallies, no, say no to plastic. And this what is that, many rally Diwali's round the corner, like another next month, November is Diwali. So what we're going to have, those green Diwali, we're going to spread that message of green Diwali. Then we have rallies that don't like burst crackers. Okay, sometimes there is a discussion that why are people saying not to burst crackers? It is part of custom. Okay, there are eco-friendly crackers also available. Okay, because so we have to tap to every part, because there are critics all around who will quickly get up and say this part is like, why our children are not allowed to do this. And they take a pledge also, like, and like when we our aim at primary level is to bring in lot of sustainable, they think that way, nature. And this generation, it's themselves, like they are so concerned about all this. So this is what, sir, we do. And there are many more things which are not coming to my mind right now. Yeah, this clean water and sanitation. So they make posters, and they have those role plays, you know, components. We have competitions, like, and it's not only competition, class wise, class activity, where they become the components of nature, eco of the ecosystem. They like a child became a bird or a tree or whatever, and they explain what they are facing.